I'm gonna be breaking in my new tires. These Pirellis are so slippery, man. I don't think I even have 50 kilometers on this thing yet. Gotta take it easy for now. Do a few swerves and all, like the zigzags. I watched that Moto Jitsu vid. Looks like that's what I have to do, and do some basic cornering. Because as it currently stands, I don't really have much trust on my tires for now. Ever since the accident, and then having my tires, what do they call this? Really spent. that Marilaki ride. Traction! Give me traction! That one video I posted. Yeah. After those two circumstances, I can't seem to trust my tires that much. Maybe some light trauma, I don't know. Either way, this is meant to solve that. Okay, sure. Let me guess, this guy's gonna eat the next lane. Yep. And then he's gonna come back. Let's see if I still got it. Not as sharp as I wanted to be, but I still kinda got it. Man, I really need to go back to the track, because at least there I feel safer, you know what I mean? Oh shit. WRX. I think it's been, okay, I had that accident the end of March, so April, May, June, July, August, September, October, 7 months. It's been 7 months ever since that accident, and my nerves, they're still not back. They're still not back to what they used to be, man. It's almost like the fear of death has been etched into me. And I'm not really that kind of guy. I got into motorcycles because I wasn't able to get into the military after an injury at the gym. Is he gonna switch lanes or what? It was. So yeah, I wasn't really a guy that I wouldn't say feared death, but more like I didn't mind the risk. able to go to the military, I bought a motorcycle. Well, I started working first, of course. And then I bought a motorcycle. Probably just because I'm young, looking for cheap thrills and all that. Either way, I wasn't really putting that much regard into my well-being. Not really something to brag about, but it has its pros. It has its advantages. Because of that, I was, well, able to do a lot more stuff with my life, basically. In these 3-4 years, I started becoming an adult. It's that slight, not really a lot of disregard, but like slight disregard to harm. Wait, let me just get through this. It's not really disregard. Yeah, let me rephrase that. It's not a it's not a disregard for death or harm. It's more like accepting the responsibility for whatever happens next. That's probably a more accurate way of describing what I learned. Like, I'm an adult already. I can take responsibility for myself. I love this corner. It's a downhill hairpin on both sides. But still did not attack that corner as I usually would. Because usually I'd start at the top at 4th gear and then I'd downshift twice to 2nd gear and then go through that corner. It's just like therapy when I injured my wrist. Gotta start from the start. I got my wrist injury from the gym from deadlifting. I was deadlifting, if I remember correctly, 200 pounds. Yeah, I know, not that much for some of you out there. That was a lot for me. I was basically only 4 months into the gym. It was, to be blunt, it was an ego. It's raining. To be blunt, it was an ego lift. I got one in, cool. Second, cool. I'm gonna turn around. Good. Not really a nice place to break in tires on wet surfaces. Anyway, so yeah, it was an ego lift. On the third one, it slipped my grip. Wait, no, my grip slipped. Instead of just letting it go, I dumped it. Wait, was that oil? I tried to catch it. I tried to salvage it. That wasn't a good idea. And I just went through a car wash yesterday. And it tore my cartilage. The cartilage on my right arm, on my right wrist. I forgot what it's called. It's like triangular something or other. And that was not fun. 10 months I couldn't do anything. Once I was able to use my hand, first thing I did was go back to the gym, hire a private trainer who can, you know, take care of my injury. That's great. And it's been 2 years now ever since that one. I can't. There we go. It's been 2 years ever since that. Ever since I went back to the gym, and I think I'm ready to go back to the military now. Assuming they still accept my age. Really just went to had the thing yesterday.